Hi, I'm Chris, and in this video we're taking a look at an SAT question. So this is question 15. I forget which section it's in, but I believe it's from the College Board Online Practice Test 8, I want to say. And the question shows a right triangle with two of the sides labeled as 7 minus x, 7 plus x, and a hypotenuse labeled as 10. And the question is asking us to figure out what is 49 plus x squared. Okay, well, whenever we have a right triangle, and we're given some information about the sides and we want to figure out how the sides relate to each other, what formula do we know, or what equation do we know, or what theorem do we know that relates the three sides of a right triangle to each other? So hopefully upon hearing that you said to yourself, oh, that's Pythagorean theorem. And that's exactly what we want to try here. Pythagorean theorem, we know that we're going to do a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And if we look at what they're asking for, 49 plus x squared, well, if we have a 7 and an x in each expression, then it kind of makes sense to think that squaring each of those might help us get pointed in the right direction, since they're asking for 49 and x squared, which are the perfect squares of 7 and x respectively. So let's try Pythagorean theorem on this and work with it a little bit and see what we get. So 7 minus x squared plus 7 plus x squared equals 10 squared. Now we do the math on that. Here's one thing we have to be really careful of. When you have a binomial, a lot of students, when seeing a binomial, will just square each term. And they would write this out as 47 plus x squared with nothing else. But you have to be careful. A binomial means 7 minus x times 7 minus x. And we have to actually FOIL that. We'll get 49. But then it'll be a minus 7x and another minus 7x for the inside and outside terms plus x squared. Similarly here, we'll have plus 49 plus 7x plus 7x plus x squared. And that's all going to be equal to 10 squared, which is 100. Sorry for squeezing it in over there a little bit. And then if we simply combine like terms on this, 49 plus 49 is 98. Negative 7x and negative 7x, that's negative 14x, which cancels out with a positive 14x over there. And so then all we have is plus 2x squared equals 100. Now, when we go to simplify, we can subtract 98. 2x squared equals 2, x squared equals 1. And we can plug that in up here. If x squared equals 1, we have 49 plus 1, which gives us a value of 50. For more, please feel free to take a look at our other videos, and thanks for watching.